And good evening. We are here in Redcar in Teesside for Scream Factory. Yeah, it's been a couple of years since we've personally been here, so I really can't wait to see what the guys have done. They've told us quite a few things have changed here. Even this opening entrance is completely different. So we're looking forward to seeing what's on there. It's always been a great event, so we will film what we can and we will let you know on the other side.
Future uncertain, but certainly slight.
So we have just come out of Scream Factory 2019. Oh my god, that was so much fun. Yeah, just lots and lots of different scares, different things going on. No scene stays too long. There were like characters from movies, there were chainsaws, there was a great hooded section. We just had an absolute blast. It was really, really good fun. So we're now going to chill out in this area here, and so we can stay here now, have a drink at the bar, get something to eat, and yeah, it was the best time I've had here at Scream Factory. This new area is really nice, and the show was just fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the camera around, we're going to try and film the next group when they come out, and you can see what's going on. So get down to Scream Factory here in Teesside.